Hi, Zamhara. Today we're going to read Alex Likes Noise. Alex lived in the city. He loved the city sounds. Horns beeped and buses roared. Doors slammed and tires squealed. People talked and children laughed. We're moving to the farm, Dad said. Alex was sad. I will miss the city. The country will be too quiet. Alex and Dad drove to the country. Alex stood outside. He listened. Frogs croaked and birds tweeted. Horses whined and cows mooed. Chickens clucked and ducks quacked. Alex smiled. The country isn't quiet at all. Questions. What did Alex hear in the city? He heard city sounds. What did Alex hear in the country? He heard animal sounds. Where is Alex moving to? To the farm. How does Alex feel about the city? He loves the city sounds.